Damn it. Alright, Slaughter the Monster here, and bringing you guys a video. As you see, my Xbox is torn apart. Here's the front, here's the disc tray, and there's my puppy. But, I'm trying to make this freaking disc work. I mean, not this disc, this game work. Right now, I just pulled off the hard drive. So, alright, I'm actually starting to think this is... You stop? I am starting to think that... You see in here... You actually can't, but you see all this stuff.
You live with your mother? No, that's the sad part. Okay, check this out. My mother made me wear rubber gloves in kindergarten so I wouldn't pick up a disease from the other children.
I actually don't know how to fix this, guys. If you know what's wrong with it, and whether would actually are nice enough to help a friend, not a friend, a gamer out, that would be perfect, because I have a tournament that's coming up and I really need to practice. Thanks, guys. Peace. Peace. Zeus! Zeus! Zeus. Yeah. Bye-bye.